Hi all. Today we are going to learn about why three-phase power is better than the single-phase power. Now let us understand what is three-phase power and what is single-phase power in this tabular form. So first feature or parameter is number of conductor. In single-phase power there are only phase and neutral. There are two wires, phase and neutral. And in the three-phase power there are three or four. Three phases plus neutral. Neutral is optional. This is the arrangement. Power delivery for single phase, the power delivery is less. For three phase, power delivery is much more, up to 1.37 times more efficient than the single phase system. Voltage level in India it is 230 volt. For three phase it is 450 volt. Application generally small load applications like homes, small offices, lighting loads, even in industries, lighting loads are catered by the single phase power. But in case of three-phase power, the larger industrial loads, large buildings, heavy machines, heavy motors particularly, more than 5.5 kilowatt, it is mandatory to give three-phase power. Efficiency, single-phase power is less efficient for high loads. Current drops are very high, voltage drops are very high. Whereas three-phase power is more efficient for transmission and motors. Motor performance due to low torque, in many cases, capacitors to be connected in case of induction motors, and due to high torque, smoother operation is possible for three-phase power. Cost of the equipment for single-phase power, the cost of equipment is cheaper, and cost of equipment is a little higher in case of three-phase power. But over a long period, the total cost, I mean the capex and opex, capital expenditure plus operational expenditure, if you add up, then three-phase power become cheaper. So we also need to not only the capex, we also need to the operational cost for a longer period of time. So over a longer period of time, the cost for this three-phase power is much lesser than the single-phase power. Power losses higher over long distances and comparatively lower as compared to single-phase power system. In the three-phase power, the power loss is a little less. And load handling capability, single phase power has lesser load handling capability, limited to small appliances. And in case of three phase power, it can handle high loads and complex systems. Now, from this comparison, I think it is very clear to you why three phase power is supersedes by, I mean, three phase power is always a better choice than the single phase power. So again, I'm just repeating, it can give more power delivered and more efficiently with 1.73 times more. It can cater to the larger industrial loads. It is the transmission efficiency is very high. It can generate high torque, and even though the capex, the capital expenditure is slightly higher, but operational expenditure, if you add up, it becomes cheaper, and mostly it can handle very high load, even a long transmission, even in case of long transmission. So the losses are also less in case of long transmission. So these are the reason why three-phase power is three-phase system is selected over the single-phase system. I think the video has cleared your doubt. If you need more such videos, please write in the comment section. I will create those videos to clear your doubts. Thank you.